Unlock the mysteries of health and drugs, knowledge that's essential for every curious mind. Dive deep into how drugs impact our lives and the science behind them. This free ebook offers an expansive guide to health, drugs, and medicine. Learn about maintaining health and preventing diseases in an engaging way. Discover the use of prescription medications and their importance in healthcare today. Explore recreational drugs and understand their societal impact on communities and individuals. Uncover the groundbreaking science behind modern medicine and its advancements. Learn about drug interactions, risks, and the concept of drug resistance. Curious about the history and practice of medicine? This book uncovers it all. From aspirin to opioids, gain access to a comprehensive medication reference guide. Wondering why this valuable resource is free? It's all for the democratization of knowledge. Shared under Creative Commons and GNU licenses, it's open for everyone to explore. Nicolae Sfetcu once said, "A drug is not just a pill, it's a story." This journey dives into the biology and chemistry that define how drugs work. Whether you're a health student or just curious, this guide speaks to you. It's user-friendly and crafted to provide a solid foundation in health sciences. Find out how caregivers can translate medical jargon into everyday understanding. Follow along as we explore different sections of this comprehensive guide together. Health and wellness topics delve into hygiene, exercise, mental health, and nutrition. The book also covers health science and its applications in our daily lives. Learn about various branches of medicine and their significant roles in healthcare. Gain insights into how recreational and prescription drugs influence societal health. Let's not forget the crucial section on drug addiction and rehabilitation methods. Learn about the causes and consequences of drug overdose and resistance. The importance of clinical skills and patient relationships is highlighted throughout. Enlightenment into drug risk management is vital for every patient and caregiver. Explore the critical role of medical education in empowering healthcare professionals. Educational resources are just a click away with the provided safe download link. No need for sign-up, just access and learn from over 1,000 pages of information. Navigate through the various topics in a structured and insightful manner. Join others in discovering the past, present, and future of medicine and pharmacy. Empower yourself with knowledge on health and drugs, because understanding is the best medicine.